experiencing a frozen screen, or no audio in your Volvo XC90. These are common issues often related to software glitches or hardware wear. First, try a soft reset. Press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the system reboots. For a hard reset, disconnect the battery for 10 to 30 minutes to clear the cache and restore defaults. Ensure you have the latest software updates installed via Volvo's app or website. For no audio, check your Bluetooth connections and ensure the volume is not muted across all devices. These initial steps resolve a majority of infotainment problems. Visit a dealership if issues persist. For older XC90 models built before 2019, when basic troubleshooting doesn't work, manual resets or even hardware replacements might be necessary. Volvo has been releasing over-the-air software updates, such as version 2.5.8 for the Sensus Connect system. These updates improve system stability and fix compatibility issues with Android Auto and CarPlay. To receive these updates, ensure your vehicle is connected to Wi-Fi or visit a Volvo dealer for installation. Future XC90 models built after 2023 are integrating AI-enhanced diagnostics that self-monitor for anomalies and perform automatic fixes. Trends show Volvo emphasizing software-driven fixes to extend vehicle life cycles and reduce repair costs. If issues persist despite updates, it may be a hardware failure that requires expert diagnostic equipment and specialist repairers.